Hey guys, welcome to my channel CoDroiD. So in this video we will create an awesome scroll door animated website. So you can see if I scroll down, a shutter will come. Then if I click it, it will be locked. So if I click it over here, it will be unlocked, and you can move it. So you can see in the background a nice animation is also there, type of black hole. So you can also do that. So before watching this video, you must watch the part 1, because in the part 1 I have completed the index.html, like HTML file and JavaScript file. So in this portion I will complete the awesome CSS project, CSS. Okay, so before getting into this detail, you must open a website. So the website link is in the description. This is my website. So you will get a scroll door CSS. So you need to copy this whole thing. Text will, this is for only CSS part, not the other thing. So just scroll down, okay, and right click on it and copy this body. So and just paste it. So just save it. So before saving that, you need to have create 3 files. This is my HTML folder, this is my style folder, and this is my script. So let's open our index. So now the everything has came. So if I click it lock, it will be unlock mode. It will get option lock. So scroll, now you can see a nice animation and both are same. Okay, so if you want to do this thing, so you can do this by just copying this CSS. I thought that let's try it by typing on the keyboard and just show you to guys, but this video is getting very long and it will become a series, which I don't want. So that's the reason I have prepared this type of website, and just I have told you guys just to copy all this thing and just paste it inside your website. So thanks for watching. Bye.